Me, not you. I can hear you. Can you hear me? Okay. We're going down to the bridge. She won't see us. See us. Wear dark clothes. She's got the red coat. Yeah, she always has the red coat. She doesn't have another coat. See you at the corner in 5 minutes. 10 minutes. 5. Roger. Over and out.
Dodo, the only remains of which are now housed in museums in London, Copenhagen, and Prague. They do not add up to a complete skeleton. The extinction of the dodo, complete by the 17th century, was not believed until the 19th century. Extinction was thought to be impossible on religious grounds. The chain of being is not broken. We are not alone on the earth. We each have our place on the chain of being. We fulfill our own divine destinies. There was for a short time a myth of a dodo that lived on another island, somewhere, that had survived to be very old, that lived alone and was waiting to come back again. The one dodo was lonely but satisfied. It had a destiny and bided its time. I think if we brought the bones together from the museums, those bones in the glass cases on stretches of black velvet, they might join to make a creature. It wouldn't be complete, but if it joined together, it might be able to walk. It might be able to be. This box is full of the feathers of unidentified birds. We keep them just in case the bird comes back. Then we could dress it and keep it warm. The water is rising. All it will take is one flood at high tide in the right month, in the right year. With the moon full or new, and we'll be on an island. Roads, trains, everything washed out. Fishes clogging the highways, salt scum over the soil, trees colonized by seaweed. It will be easy. Planes landing at night will see an island with a few lights and then just black water. We will go camp on higher ground and hope for the best.